Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 2.2 pound spool of filament for a 3D printer. This is the PLA matte black that we were sent, and it did come in a really nice vacuum sealed container here, so everything is ready to go and ready for us to get out there and print. I'm going to kind of cut this open just so you can kind of see what this looks like here straight out of the box. Now this does come, like I said, spooled up really nicely, and I'm liking this, the fact that this is pre-dried. They've got the silicone packets in there, which is great. It does come with some tabs there, and this is a little thing here that allows you to quick connect, remove this, and store this piece and reattach this onto a different filament, which is really nice. They even send you with 3 of these straps here, 4 straps, that you can strap the old filament in so that you can store it whenever you're putting on your new one and load that up. I think we're going to go ahead today and going to print off, I need something for my GMC. We're going to print off one of these little trailer hitch covers in matte black so that can actually go on there. So I'm going to go load this up downstairs and then we'll click print. So we have this Bamboo Labs here. It's got the AMS feeder on the top here. And I'm going to simply put this in here. I mean, it fits right in. So that's nice, and it actually sticks right down in there just like normal. So we're going to go ahead and get that thing started. It's going to go ahead and load that up. So once that's kind of preloaded, we'll go upstairs with the matte black on the end, and I'll go ahead and hit that trailer hitch cover, and we will get her printing. Okay, this just got done. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this off of here. Looks to be, now this was printed with a 6mm nozzle, so it's a little larger nozzle, but I mean everything else on there seemed to come out really nice. This is the matte finish, which looks really good, looks really sharp. And everything seemed to go together. There's not like a whole lot of flyaways or frays or anything on there, and everything was precision done in there. So this is gonna work out really well. Thank you guys again for sending it.